So you want to see something gross? Okay, this is the big monstrosity that is a furnace down here. It is a ginormous thing. This is a reusable furnace filter. And look at how dirty it is. You can save money by using them, but it's time for me to clean this sucker. So I'm just going to rinse it out with water. Now, I put some soap, a lot of soap, in different spots. I use the paintbrush on it, but it still needs a lot more. This is it getting soaked up again for like the second time. So I did both sides. I don't know if this is a proper way you're supposed to do it. I can see little flecks in there that are kind of annoying. I guess I kind of have OCD. I don't feel like it's good enough, but I put a lot of soap in there and I rinsed it and rinsed it and rinsed it and rinsed it and rinsed it. Did both sides. Now I'm just going to let it set out to dry. And what I might do is take the steamer thing I have and go through it one more time, and then I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm going to see if they sell these, if I get another replacement. It's good to have two.